Hello guys, what's up? I'm in Jamalpur right now. Yeah. This is a village and in Bangladesh. This is a village. I was in my grandmother's house, but now I'm going in a boat ride. As you can see, I am going through a van gari with a van car, what they call, but I'm just gonna call it van car right for now. But yeah, we are gonna go to a boat pretty soon. But as we go to the boat, I will show you the what they call the goats, the sheep, and the cows, I guess. Here, take the view. It's really sunny, by the way. Oh yeah, by the way, my two sisters and my dad has came here. Look, a cow. You can see the view because of the time. Okay, now look, cow. Two cows. Yeah, it's really sunny. Sorry if you can see this. But we in Bangladesh, so we speak Bangla. Okay. So please don't mind it. But I'm just speaking English for y'all to understand. Oh my God.